I finally found the trick for the most delicious dessert. Take 1 sheet of puff pastry. Cut the dough in half. Using a ruler, cut the half of dough into equal pieces. Prick the dough with a fork and bake for 20 minutes. Place the cake layer in the springform pan. In a saucepan, mix vanilla-flavored pudding powder with sugar and milk. Boil the pastry cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Pour a little cream over the cake layer. In a saucepan, mix the vanilla-flavored pudding powder with sugar and milk. Boil the cream until it thickens. Add pieces of dark chocolate and stir until the chocolate melts. Fill the pan, alternating layers of white pastry cream and dark chocolate cream. Then refrigerate the pan for 1 hour. Put ice in the glass. Add a few thin slices of lemon. Add a few thin slices of orange as well. Prepare the fruit tea. Fill the glass with fruit tea. Remove the cake from the refrigerator and cover the cream layer with pieces of dough. With a delicate taste, the refreshing cake harmoniously combines 2 types of cream that you cannot get enough of. It melts in your mouth